Hi, grade 3. Hi, grade 3. I'm Iman Saeed from Learner's Teacher Iman channel. Today, I will continue chapter 1, sim 3 that I started last two videos. We started last two videos. Today, I will continue lesson six until the end of the chapter. But before I will start our chapter today, our lesson today, I would like to say, don't forget to make, share, like, subscribe to my channel to send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Before I will start our unit, our lesson today, I would like to watch this video to know more about our lesson today is about polar bear adaptation. Let's watch this video with each other. Let's go to see.
Polar bears live across the Arctic in some of the coldest places on the planet. They walk across the Arctic sea ice looking for their main prey, seals. And they have some traits that help them do this and survive in this crazy cold environment. Polar bears have very thick fur that helps keep them warm. In fact, they have two layers of fur. They have a thick, fuzzy, downy layer right next to their skin, which would be like us wearing a woolly sweater. And then they have a layer of guard hairs, longer hairs over top. It's kind of like their raincoat. And these two layers of fur help keep them warm even when it's minus 40 degrees. Polar bear hair is clear and hollow. It just looks white to our eyes. And the hollowness helps trap warm air against their bodies. Polar bear skin is black. We don't really know why, but we think it might help them absorb heat. Polar bears have an amazing sense of smell. Their nose has so much surface area to pick up scents in the air. They can smell prey over a kilometer away when the wind is right. Polar bears have huge paws. They can be the size of dinner plates. The big paws help spread out the polar bear's weight on the sea ice so they can walk along really thin ice if they have to. Polar bear feet can also get smelly. When females are ready to mate, they send out signals through smelly footprints on the sea ice. And a male polar bear who picks up the scent will follow a female, sometimes for days on end. Polar bear paws are also kind of sticky. They have bumps or papillae on the bottom of their feet that help grip the ice as they're walking, kind of like your winter tires. They also have fur on their feet to help keep them warm and really sharp claws that help give them traction on the ice so they don't slip. Polar bear claws are thick and sharp. Their claws help them pull out slippery seals from underneath the water up onto the sea ice. Polar bears also have very big heads with really sharp teeth that helps them hunt their prey seals. You can see they've got big canines at the front, and then they've got very sharp back molars that help them shear blubber and fat off of their prey. The diastema, or gap, between the front sharp canines and the back molars is perfect for helping polar bears grab a seal out of the water and pull it out onto the sea ice. You can see that all of these adaptations make a polar bear perfectly suited to live in the Arctic. They need sea ice to travel, hunt, find mates, and sometimes to den. Please join us in taking action to help conserve polar bears and the sea ice they depend on.
Let's go to our lesson 2 more hours. As we watched on this film about polar bear adaptation, let's go to read our lesson today to know more about this animal. Read the following paragraph, then answer the questions in the next page. Animals and plants are not like humans in adaptation, as the adaptation of animals is a slow process that may take hundreds or thousands of years. So animals and the plants not like humans. They adapted in their environment Like polar bear, as we watched in this video, have sick fuel and have and his body helps it to live in cold weather. Let's go to continue the text and know more about adaptation. Humans adapt to their environment. Humans adapt to their environment. Like what? Like when there is rain, human have an umbrella and wearing heavy clothes. Or in summer, when we have hot weather, we wear light clothes. So the human can adapt according to their environment. They're not faster than animals and plants. But animals and plants are has a slow adapt in their environment. Why? Because animals and the plants have their feathers that make them adapt in their environment, as we watch it in this film. Okay, let's continue the text. Humans adapt to their environment faster than animals and plants because humans don't depend on adaptation. Humans don't depend on adaptation of their traits only, but they can also change their surrounding environment. As we told you before about wearing light clothes, or wearing heavy clothes, or having umbrella and so on. Okay. In the Arctic zone, the weather is very cold, and many animals live there. Animals in Arctic zone cannot wear heavy clothes like humans to protect themselves from very cold weather. What they are doing, what animals they doing in this weather, they depend on traits. Okay, traits means properties of animal. They have to avoid the coldness in Arctic zone. For example, thick white thick white fur, thick white fur is an example. Thick white fur is an example of traits that help the polar bear to survive. What is the meaning to survive? To live. Moreover, the polar bear has layers, as we saw, as we watched it on the film. Layers, as we watched it on the film. I think we watched the video and know these layers. Okay, one layer, two layers. This is called layers of fur. And the flipper to keep warm. This flipper help polar bear to do what? To keep warm. Okay, God create this animal by these traits to adapt in its environment. Okay, the flipper is thick, fed with many blood vessels. The white fuel helps the polar bear to plant to plant in sorry to plant in with white color of the snow. This we know as we know later. We called what called conflate. We know it as conflate as we know later. It can hide and easily catch its prey. Arctic animals may have other ways of adaptation. For example, sorry, some animals can vibrate their bodies to keep their muscles warm. Vibrate means vibrate. You know, vibrate. If we vibrate means move to keep the muscles warm. Okay. When like in the cold weather, we stick we stick both hands with each other to keep warm. As we saw, it has similar in animals, like not like human, but similar in animals. Means to move their bodies to keep their muscles warm. Some Arctic birds fluff their feathers to trade warm air near the body. Let's answer the questions below this text. Animals adapt faster than humans. Can animals adapt faster than humans? No, they're not faster than humans. Adapt fast. No, humans adapt faster than. So it's so this sentence, it will be right or wrong? Wrong. Arctic animals wear clothes. It's wrong, because animals can't wear clothes. The polar bear has the blubber that helps to keep it warm. Yes, as we watch the film and know that humans depend on their traits to adapt surrounding environment, on their traits. Um, I will turn to the text to know that humans depend on traits. When a human depends on traits. Where is it? Human depend on the traits to adapt surrounding environment. Not depend on adaptation. Their traits on yes. So it would be right. Would be right. Arctic birds may flap their feathers to trade warm air near their bodies. Yes. Let's go to another question. Arctic zone is a habitat in which animals adapt to the cold weather, the hot weather, the sunny weather. Arctic zone, it's what Arctic zone, as we know, it's cold, it's cold weather. So I will select which one I selected. I select the first one. Arctic animals have many adaptations to cold warm, such as fluffing their feathers, having blubber, all previous answers. Why? Because having blubber in polar bear and fluffing their feathers in birds. The white fur helps the polar bear to blend with white color of the snow to feel cold, easily to catch its prey, keep its cold, to blend in with color of snow to easily catch its prey. Okay, white color. If we hide in white color in the snow, helps polar bear to be easily catch its prey. So the answer, it would be in the middle. Let's go to another one. Some Arctic animals may vibrate their bodies to what? Vibrate its bodies to do what? To keep their body warm, to catch their prey, to plant in their snow. They vibrate their bodies. Why they vibrate their bodies? They vibrate their bodies to keep its bodies warm, as we know. Vibrate their bodies to keep muscles warm. So we select this one. Okay, let's go to another activity. This is an experiment. You can do it, or this is an experiment about the paper. I will leave it. But we have observation and conclusion here. As we know, I will leave this. This is not important for do it. I will go to lesson 7 as well. This is an activity you can do. Okay, let's go to another one. Can you see me? There are many things that help animals to survive, such as conflict. So, what's the meaning of conflict? As we know in the last page, grade 3, that the polar bear has its white color to what? To hide in the snow, to help its color helps them to catch the prey easily. So this called camouflage. We have two idioms here. We must know it very well. We have adaptation and we have camouflage. What is the meaning of camouflage? Let's know about this definition. It's the act of blending into the environment through the use of colors or patterns, like what? Like the polar bear here, okay? Camouflage can help to protect an animal from its predators. Predators, what's the meaning of predators? Animals. Or help an animal sneak up on and catch its prey. The conflict and adaptation, it will be learned. It will be learned in details when we go next year in grade 4. We know more about conflict and adaptation in more details. Okay, we give you brief about this idioms. Next year we know more about this, and we know more about animals that can adapt. In grade 4, they know about phoenix fox, about polar bear, about many animals that can snow in its that can hide in their environment with its color. Okay, with it by its color. Okay, the polar bear has white fur that helps it climb into as it sneaks upon its prey like this. This is a polar bear. Let's go to another one. The stick insect, this is a stick insect, okay, is a sticky shape that helps it climb in with the sticks of the planes to be protected from its enemies. What is the conflict? As we know here, I leave it to do it as a homework. We know here about conflict. I will tell you, and you can write it as a homework. Okay, conflict is the act of blending into the environment through the use of colors or patterns. This is the definition of conflict. Let's go to another activity. Stick each animal into suitable environment where it can camouflage on. We have animals, and this is can this is and these animals can have a pictures about animals and put and stick here to to make it complete. Like here I can we know as my daughter learned in grade 4 about fennec fox. Fennec fox can be here. Okay, here can be polar bear. Okay, can have a pictures about this animal and stick it on this environment. Here is a camouflage. You can this bird plant from design a camouflage to help this bird plant in this environment. You can color this bird to design camouflage of this bird. Let's go to another lesson. We know about pigs. Pigs. This is called pigs. You can see pigs. Pigs in we can see pigs in what in birds. Okay, I'm listening to say this man bird. You are clever people. Birds have different shapes of beaks to help each of them eat suitable food. If we have the beaks helps the animal to help the bird to eat its suitable food, such as what we have spoon beak. This called spawn peak. Spawn peak. What this bird called spawn bill bird. This is what type of bird called spoon bill bird. What is spoon bill bird doing? Looks like a spawn. Types of food that we eat: small fish and small plants in water. This bird looks like a spawn. Types of food that we eat: small fish and small plants in water. We have another one called scissor peak. Scissor peak looks like eagle and owl. Okay, we have spawn peak in spawn peak pair and plucking. Okay, and plucking. Here we have eagle and owl. What do you think with me? Why those birds have scissor beak? I think you think you know without thinking, because they eat what they eat meat. So these birds eat meat. So its beak must be strong. Why strong? Like scissors to cut the animals that we catch. Okay, so looks like scissors, If you have a scissor that you cut papers, your mother cut your papers by scissors. You can see scissors. Type of food of this birds eat meat of animals. Let's go to another kind of bird called tweezer bird. Tweezer bee. Look like tweezer. Okay, like tweezer. Types of food: fish and insect. This beak is called pizza beak. Heron, urgent, kingfisher. Kingfisher. This is the kind of plant. We must know some. Sorry, you can know one or two or from them. Can must be keep all these verbs. Can know some or when we say tweezer beak, I can say heron or kingfisher. You can't know all of them. You can keep some of them only. Okay. Close spine peak. Close here is close spine peak. Looks like what close spine. Close spine. Type of food: seeds. This is wheron and golden finch. Let's go to know more about this. We have pelican, we have eagle, we have kingfisher, we have wheron. Let's go to know more about this. Pelican, which this peak is like what we know all we know in the last page. Pelican is like four peak. Sorry. So I will select spoon by this one, by the first picture. So the pelican is by this one, the last picture. Okay, this one. Let's go to another one. Eagle, without thinking, scissor. Why? Because it's strong to catch fish. Uh, kingfisher, kingfisher here, like tweezer. It is tweezer. Okay, tweezer. Kingfisher is tweezer. I select this one that we eat seeds. So the tweezer to eat seeds. Okay, and the seed is small, so its beak must be like a tweezer. Wherein we have close speed. This is called wherein. Okay, close speed. Okay. Let's go to another one. This is the bird, and this is its okay. Blicken to catch what? Blicken to catch what? Small fish and small plants. Okay, you know it is here small fish and small plant. Here is small fish and small plant. So I select blicken by small fish and small plant. Okay, small fish and small plant. So I select this one by this one. I select this one by this one. Eagle. Without thinking, I select meat. Without thinking, I select meat. Okay, I select this one by this one. Kingfisher. Kingfisher by what? Kingfisher by seed. Okay, here is kingfisher. Kingfisher by what? By kingfisher by fish and insect. Kingfisher by I can select kingfisher, fish and insects. Okay, kingfisher by fish and insects. Kingfisher here, kingfisher here, kingfisher here by fish and insects. Okay, kingfisher by fish and insects. Wherein by what? By seeds. Wherein by seeds. Wherein by what? Wherein by what here? Seeds. Wherein by seeds. Okay. I will repeat it again. I will repeat this exercise again to know it very well. Okay. Here, Plicken eats what? Small fish and small plants. So I select this one by this one. Eagle, without thinking. Without thinking. If you tell me eagle, I know that meat of animal. Kingfisher eat what? Kingfisher eat what? Eats feeds. Fish and insects. No, fish and insects. Kingfisher fish and insects. Fish and insects. Kingfisher fish and insects. I select this one by this one. Which one? By six. Okay. So I note I answered this question. This is the brief of our lesson. I will read it to you. This page is important to know more about, to know the brief of what we took in our lesson, in this chapter. Okay? Plants have traits this chapter is about traits in animals and humans. Okay, plants have traits as animals, as humans, all have traits that help them to what, to survive, such as the very long roots in acacia tree and long flexible stems in what, water lily. This is acacia tree and this is water lily. There are many sources of information such as textbooks, photographs, and artifacts. Animals depend on their traits to survive in their habitat, such as the flipper in the polar bear, as we see in the as we watch it on the film, that we watched before we start our chapter today. Conflict is the act of blending into the environment through the use of colors or patterns. Birds differ in shapes of their beaks according to their food, pelican and eagle. Here is an activity about bird's beak. You can do it. You can color and make it. I will leave this. It's you have a talent to do this with you. I leave this to you to do it. Today I finished chapter. Today I finished chapter 1. Next class I will start chapter 2. Thanks a lot until you meet again. Goodbye.